In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Mailchimp automated emails to new subscribers. So first is log into your Mailchimp account. Then next in the left panel, click Automations. Then click on Choose Flow Template. Then next here, look for Welcome New Contacts or Subscribers and click on it. This triggers an email automatically whenever someone joins your audience. So to proceed, click on Use this flow. Next is choose the audience where your new subscribers will be added. So you can tag them and choose the tag on where they will be added. Then select Add for the action and press Save. MailChimp would then monitor this list and trigger the email when a new contact appears. Make sure that you use the email builder to write your welcome message so you can open up this block to start customizing your email. Make sure that you introduce your brand, thank them for subscribing, and include helpful links or a special offer. And once done and your automation is on, now every subscriber or new subscriber will then automatically receive your welcome email. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!